Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to easily underline text in Google Sheet. Let's get started. First, click on the cell that contains the text you want to underline. Go to the top menu bar and click on Format. From the drop-down menu, hover over Text option. This will expand a sub-menu with various text formatting options. In sub-menu, click on the underline and your selected text is now underlined. That's it. Underlining text in Google Sheet is super simple. Thanks for watching.